Hi everyone, welcome back to the video. As in our previous video, we learn about some capabilities of LLM beyond text generation and the use of agentic systems. Now in this video, we are going to know some real world use cases where we can use AI. So the first real world use case is the creative industry. In creative industry, we can use generative AI in different fields. Like for example, we can use for content generation. With the help of LLM, we can write blogs, we can edit videos, and we can use AI in different art form. In design, with the help of AI, we can build prototypes, we can generate UI, and also we can use AI for script writing, debugging, and VFX. We can say a fine-tuned prompt is just going to accelerate our creativity. The creative sector was one of the first to embrace generative AI, and for a good reason. Designers now use tools like DALL-E, Midjourney, and Runway ML to create images, mood boards, and animation from just few words. Writers use ChatGPT for ideation, drafting, even editing. Video editors use AI for scene selection, auto subtitling, and visual effects. What this means is that the creative process is no longer limited by technical tools. It's driven by ideas and storytelling, enhanced by AI. With the right prompt, you can go from concept to prototype in minutes. There is no need to know the tools. With the help of generative AI, we can use them without knowing the basics of those tools. We also use generative AI in business and automation. Like here I mentioned some business application. We can use it for financial analysis. We can use for medical report generation. We can use for research summarization. With the help of RAG, we can enhance the intelligence of LLMs. As we know, LangChain enables chaining tools for task-specific workflows. With the help of LangChain, we can build tools for any specific tasks which are further enhanced by LLMs. In healthcare, LLM can read radiology reports, extract key data, and even write summarization for doctors. In finance, they can analyze quarterly reports, summarize market trend, and generate insight dashboards. Many of these solutions use RAG, pulling relevant documents from internal knowledge bases and using them to provide tailored factual response. With LangChain, you can build entire pipeline, ask a question, retrieve data from a vector store, summarize results, and visualize them, all automated. We are seeing a new layer of automation, not just task automation, but thinking automation. As in this course, we have also built some RAG application. For reference, you can revisit those applications. Generative AI also impacted education. With the help of generative AI, we can personalize our learning experience. With GenAI, learning can be truly personalized. A student can have their own AI tutor, capable of adapting to their pace, style, and strength. Need a math explanation in simple language? Done. Want a visual breakdown of a physical concept? The AI can generate that too. We can even create interactive learning agents, while LangGraph to remember what students have already learned, and LangChain tool to fetch new concepts. For educator, it means reduced prep time, automated assessments, and global reach. This is where access meets personalization, making education more inclusive and effective.